Hi guys, today we are going to explain about job application selection and identification, study of resumes with natural language processing and machine learning. So before going to this project, we discussed something about the natural language processing. So what is the natural language processing means? So in machine learning, all the data sets are in numerical format. So while when the situation is comes to, we have to work on the text data means we use the NLP technique. That is NLP means natural language processing. So it employs the techniques to automatically categorize and analyze the text data. So here in this project we are working on the resumes dataset. Nowadays for a job role, so many members are working applying for the jobs. So many resumes are coming to the association or organization. So they have to parse the data, parse the resumes like that. They have to categorize the data based on their skills and experience and all. So in this project we are going to do that thing.